Okay, so you want to know how much it costs to open a Bask bank account. Well, let's start by asking ourselves a question. Why would anyone want to open a bank account with Bask? Now, I'm not going to tell you the answer to that question right away. I want you to think about it for a moment. What are the benefits of using a bank like Bask? What are the drawbacks? Once you've had a chance to think about those things, we can talk about the cost of opening a Bask bank account. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at what Bask Bank is. Bask is a digital bank that offers high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. It has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. So, now that we know a little bit about Bask Bank, let's talk about the cost of opening an account. The good news is that there is no minimum deposit required to open a Bask bank account. However, you must fund your account within 15 business days of opening it or your account will be closed. Once you've funded your account, you can start earning interest immediately. The current interest rate for Bask's high-yield savings account is 4.65% APY. This is one of the highest interest rates available for a savings account. So, how much does it cost to open a Bask bank account? The answer is nothing. There are no fees associated with opening or maintaining a Bask bank account. This makes Bask a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost way to save money. In addition to the low cost of opening an account, Bask Bank also offers a number of other benefits. For example, you can open an account online in just a few minutes. You can also manage your account online or using the Bask Bank app. So, if you're looking for a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements, Bask Bank is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.